printer.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In order to make our projects more interesting and better, we thought we have to add a 3D printer into our collection. After searching a lot for a 3D printer of budget 20,000, initially I decided to get Ender V3 SE, which has some automatic calibration features. But later I came across the Bambu Lab A1 Mini printer, which has more advanced features with better performance and speed. And the price was also around 22,499 with offers. I ordered the same, and this is how I got the box, which says Bambu Lab A1 Mini. I purchased this from robo.in. I'll also leave the product link in the description box. Now I'll quickly unbox it and take out the printer and all the accessories. First, we'll have a look on all the accessories. We get the user manual along with some stickers, 20 grams of Bambu PLA Basic sample filament, 520 mm PTFE tube, spool holder, purge wiper, a boat model component kit which can be used for your first print, and inside this we have some more accessories like Allen keys, unclogging tool, spool holder base, bamboo scraper blade, cable organizer, and some oil and grease. Before turning on the printer, we have to do some basic setup. So the first one is to remove the Z-axis limiter. Using the Allen key, take out the screws and remove this lock. The second step is to tighten all the 3 screws at the bottom corner of the heat bed. So the third step is to mount the purge wiper. Just slide it into the provided slot and use this particular screw to lock. In the fourth step, we have to mount the spool holder. First, use the screws and fix the base. So now slide the spool holder from the top. And in the last step, insert the PTFE tube one end to the filament guide and other one to any one of the inlets. So these are the basic things you have to do after unboxing. Now let's have a quick look on the printer. This printer is compact in size and measures less than 40 centimeters on all 3 sides. and this weighs around 5.5 kgs. Unlike the other printers of the same range, this printer comes with a 2.4 inches IPS touchscreen display for the controls. On the right side, we have a 32 GB micro SD card as an internal storage. Next, there is a AMS port which is used to connect the printer with a AMS light device for multicolor printing. So here is the spool holder which is at the back side. They have provided a light and a camera here for real-time monitoring, which also has a time-lapse support. It comes with 0.4 mm nozzle diameter and also quick swappable with other diameter options. The heat bed comes with textured PEI plate and it has a maximum build volume of 18 centimeters cube. And the main power button is placed at the back side. Additionally, it comes with a lot of automatic features like auto calibration, auto bed level, auto Z offset, automatic vibration control, auto flow dynamics, belt tension, and auto filament loading. So this makes it plug and play and easy to use printer. So now I'll power on the printer. Once we start, we have to select the language and the region. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network with your password. So here we get a QR code to download and create an account in Bambu Handy application. I tried to do the same, but this application didn't work for Indian mobile number. So I'll skip this step for now. Moving further, accept all the policy agreements and directly start the calibration. After the calibration, the printer is ready. We'll go back to the application part. I'll directly install the Bambu Handy application from the Play Store and create account using email ID. After the login, I'll add my printer, which is Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Inside the app, go to Devices and click on Bind Printer. To get the QR code on the printer, go to Settings, Account, and scan this. So now the device is successfully connected to the application. By IoT technology, we get all the controls of the printer within the application itself, and every details can be live monitored sitting anywhere. Also, this application is linked with MakerWorld, which helps us to get a lot of free 3D models for printing. Now I'll insert this sample filament. Go to filament option, edit filament type, and select the filament details like the manufacturer, type, and the color. and click OK. Click on load and start pushing the filament through the PTFE tube until you get success message. After this, the machine is ready for printing. So in order to start the print, you can directly use your smartphone, select the model and give it for printing, as I did here. Or if you have any custom designs, you can install Bambu Studio software in the computer, import the design and start printing from there. So overall, this is the best printer which comes with a lot of features than the competitors for this price range. So if you don't have any concerns with the size, then definitely you can consider this. We will be also making a lot of projects using this printer in the coming days. Stay tuned and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next one.